Hello, hello, and welcome to another update video about the DXY. Let's take a look at the two main scenarios we're currently observing here for the DXY. The main scenario, well, I don't want to really say the main scenario, they're both likely. It's all about, does the pivot point hold or not? Does the support area hold or not? But let's first start with this scenario that mentioned in the last video, that I'm starting to lean towards it, and that is the wave count where we see a larger ABC structure to the upside. Even though until then the yellow wave count here, direct downside path, has been sort of the preferred one. I highlighted last time, I think it was 2 or 3 days ago. I'm starting to lean towards a possible higher B wave, so it would be this scenario here. But you know, it's not confirmed at all. I mean, the most important thing is at the moment we see a reaction to that trend reversal area down here. And yeah, we're going to take a look at that. Let's first of all start with the one that I just mentioned. So in this scenario, price came down, or the DXY came down off the September highs in an A wave. So that would actually sit here. Let me just move that A wave over here. That would be the A wave, yeah. A 5-wave move to the downside. Then a B wave to the upside in, highlighted here in white, ABC, A wave to the upside, which peaked also here in the trend reversal area, came down into support, and is already doing the turnaround in maybe a C wave to the upside, forming a higher B wave, which could then result to a move down. So I think we all agree, I guess so, that the DXY is currently in a local downtrend, yeah. But now within the local downtrend, in a very localized possible uptrend, very short term, but it's an overall downtrend. So ideally, trend continuation to the downside is preferred. It's just that we could see a higher B wave, a higher corrective move up before we continue the move down in this C wave, which could take us into the $90 region, the low $90 region. This is at the moment, I guess, the one that where I said last time, okay, I'm starting to lean towards it. I guess it's sort of what I personally would prefer, just because I think a higher B wave is more likely. Because if I take a look at, let's say, the other scenario, which is also likely, don't get me wrong, I do only show you the likely scenarios, okay? So always bear in mind the price could do anything, the chart can do anything. Out of the, let's say, infinite amount of possibilities, I show you 2 or 3 most likely scenarios. But as you can see here in this scenario, the B wave didn't even reach the 50% retracement. It didn't even, did it reach the 38.2? No, not even that. So it didn't even touch the 38.2 retracement. So an extremely shallow B wave. Yeah, so therefore, I mean, direct downside from here is possible. However, in this wave count, that is how it would be sort of, you know, working out. An A wave down, a B wave up, and now a C wave down. The thing is, and what I said in the last few videos, this move down as a wave 1 isn't clearly impulsive. And also here, this move down isn't clearly impulsive. So I'm thinking about, you know, maybe it is likely that we get this higher B wave. But the key is, and has been, this, one second, let me just remove that. The key has been this $101.64 level. That has been the pivot, the turning point, the trend reversal area, against which the C wave can be working out. Because a sustained break below $101.64, below the 78.6 retracement, would have sent it down directly in the yellow wave count. But as I said, as long as this level is holding, we can expect a higher C wave. So this is sort of, these are the 2 main scenarios I'm following. For me, the main pivot point is $101.64. Below that level, basically last bullish support here would be the $100.90 roughly. Last bullish support. Below that level, we should be heading down directly quite quickly. So, but in all scenarios, I'm looking for lower. There's even a third one that I saw on Telegram earlier today. Bear in mind, on this channel, we don't have a Telegram. It's our main channel, More Crypto Online. But the idea was that, you know, this could be an A wave or a wave W, but probably an A wave. This here could be a triangle, A, B, C, D, E, yeah, and then down. In all scenarios, don't forget, all the scenarios I've just shown you, we expect lower. It's just that one scenario suggests a higher B wave is likely, which it is, or a triangle, you know. So if price moves up from here, yeah, and this was obviously an area of, you know, high reward, low risk. But it could be that this is just the last wave up of a triangle, which would then not exceed $104.70. So I want to make you aware that it can always be a triangle, because so far we've been making higher lows and lower highs. Okay, and that is typically very characteristic for a triangle. Also, none of these subwaves looks very impulsive. So I would say, okay, the idea that this is a triangle is actually not unlikely. And the triangle would be obviously the B wave here, and then down. Okay, so be very much aware that this is all pointing to the downside at the moment. Yep, and it wouldn't really need to take a lot for me to change my view to really bullish here. I mean, overall long-term bullish, yes, but the idea would be here first down. Okay, yeah, that's my update about the DXY. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.